one of our business partners from the Philippines, Tess Olarte. So Tess shares the same background with me. She's retired from the Philippine Army as an officer, and she decided this three as her next project, after retirement. So Tess, please share with us your experience with three and why three. Please feel free to unmute and turn on your camera and share with everyone.
Hi, Nilbert. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Uh, Thank you, Nilbert, for inviting me as one of the sharers. I am Ms. Tess Olarte, a retired military from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So my journey with Tree began when I connected with Poi Poi from Malaysia, who happened to follow the same influencer as me. The turning point came when I had the privilege of attending Nilbert's OPP presentation here in the Philippines. So during his presentation, what caught my attention was the collagen and Eternel, as I have always wanted to maintain healthy skin since I had undergone Tabiso or total abdominal hysterectomy and bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy in 2014. So one potential side effect that I may experience is dry skin, and I believe that if you have a dry skin, your self-confidence will be affected. But after just 3 days of taking them, I noticed changes in my hair, which became shinier and bouncier, and my face started to glow. Actually, I didn't really plan on taking all the supplements because my focus was on skincare. With that results, I decided to take Vitality, Immune, Purify, and for the Revive, I take it occasionally like if I am going to the gym. On the first day of taking the supplements, I felt a slight pain on the right side of my back. And I suddenly remember I had a spot on my right lung in 1996. Although it was treated, but the doctor said it might still cause occasional pain. But on the following day, it was gone. And until now, it hasn't even hurt when I get tired. And the next change I noticed was that every morning after taking the Vitality, I have a bowel movement. And it made me think because since 2014, I'd been constipated due to the effects of my major surgery. And because of that, I became dependent on laxatives just to have a bowel movement. But after taking Vitality, my bowel movement suddenly decreased and change and become regular. My stomach feels lighter, my headaches have decreased, and my tummy has become flatter. As I continued using all six supplements, the next thing I noticed that I was no longer sneeze even without even taking antihistamines. Since 1997 until I started taking the supplements on July 1st, I would have to take antihistamines or else my whole face would swell, my eyes would itch, I would sneeze nonstop, and the worst part was having difficulty breathing because of a runny nose. And now it is getting better every day, even if I am not taking antihistamine. Actually, I have several more that I plan to share, but I'm currently waiting for further improvement in my health before including them in my future testimonials. The positive effects of the product have boosted my confidence and made me even more positive. And I now feel ready to confidently start my business and share it with my family, friends, and those who have health issues to help improve their health and well-being. That's all for tonight, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Tess. Wow, that's those are amazing results from our products. Of course, I can say I'm not surprised because our products work so well. But it was so nice listening to the different effects, and I'm so happy for you about with your health. And I'm looking forward to working with you more as we continue to build the business in the Philippines. Thank you so much, Tess.
Thank you so much.
All right.